Hello everyone, I am Karissa Berti Khonglam and I was among the Mumbai city toppers of 10th board CBSE 2017 and 18. So 3 tips that I would like to share with you. Number 1, we must focus on improving our handwriting if it is bad, because while presenting the answers, handwriting can be really an important factor in terms of the presentation of the answer sheets. Secondly, I personally had referred to the answer sheets of the past year toppers. I got them from the internet. These answer sheets helped me to know how to answer the questions and how to present the answers for the one to check it. Number 3, I also recommend you all to not start anything new on the night before the exam, because it can be really stressful and you need to keep your brain fresh. So do not start anything new on the night before the exam. Thank you guys for watching this. I hope you liked it and all the best for your exams.